What's up, everybody? Thanks for stopping by to another Breaking Bad co-ed softball game. Today we are at Olive 4 playing our playoff game. We were the second seed. The Force of Nature was the third seed. So we're playing defense sort of stuff. We did pretty well leading up to this. I think we beat them twice during the regular season. But right off the bat, they started off with a little single. That's how we get it going. So yeah, I think they were both pretty close games going up. Let's hit to Devin. Let's try this. Devin, yeah, there you go, Devin. Good play. And then we beat him twice. Back to Devin. We'll stop. Be able to run it out. Those lefties are pretty quick. Edwin. Nice, there we go. 2 outs. See if we can't hold them. John to right center. 1 run scores. And 2 runs score. They're a pretty good team. They had a pretty solid team throughout the year. Like I said, both games were pretty close. Finish it up to get 2. There we go, Matt starting us off for us. Our lefty, poking it through the right side. Nice little single. And next up. Ripped it. Oh. Right to good hit though. Nice marker, big batter. There you go, center field. Is that going to drop in there? Catch, nice catch. Got some range. We're in a minute to see if we can't get keep it going. That's trouble. Oh, hang up. He's got speed though. Oh, and they called him out. Called him out because of interference. But he said he had to slide or get out of the way, but it's not necessarily the rule.
Good stuff, Amanda.
Over to the right side. Throw a little off base. Would have been close. Oh, almost. That's not over to third. That was close. Got a glove on it. Center. And the catch. Nice. Boys around. Got 1 down. There we go, a little comebacker. Out. Yeah, on that one that they called Matt out, that down or get out is really for a double play, like if it's at second. Like it's hit, in, you know, there you go, that everything. So, it's kind of a bad call. That's alright. It's all for fun. Let's pop up. There you go. Diggs, can't get us going. There you go, little ground ball, it's trouble. Running it out. There we go. Nice hustle. Nice hustle. Never know what's going to happen. See if Edwin can't get it going. There we go. Keeping it going. Turning him. There we go, Allie. Got two on. To the left side. Runner. Another 1 down. Go. Enough for V. She reached for the bat and I gave it to someone else. Didn't realize she wanted to use that one. Grounds out for 3. We got 1. Keeping it close. Shot to the right side. With a grunt. Gotta make sure we hit those cutoffs. There we go, left side. Oh, nice throw. Almost. Back to Scott, little redemption. No, gets past. Almost, it was a hot shot. That's all the little ladies hitting it to the oppo. Oh, they squeaked through again. 1 run scores. Just lofted it over. There we go, nice throw, getting it in. Back to the, down the line. Get it in over to Tyler. See if we can't get it out here. Little lofter. Oh, just out of reach.
Yeah!
Score. This guy likes to go to that opposite side. Oh, gets by. Takes a wicked hop on Kyle. Those are tough. As we've seen many times this season, they take some bounces.
Foul ball, batter's out.
Oh, that's the last. They had to put it in play. Take it out. There you go, back to Scott. Oh, do him again. Call it a base hit. That was a hot shot. Gotta turn that glove over though. Put the nose of the glove down. Scoop it. A little easier. They got it rolling. We always have these 1 innings. There we go. That should end it. Oh, that was only 2. Oh. That's alright, we'll get 1 more. Back to short. Nice stop, nice throw. Is she on the bag? She was. Nice. There we go. 9 runs. We always have those 1. Sometimes we can hit those 2. Nice stop. Off the bag. There we go. Hustling it out. There we go. Let's see if we can't make him pay. Malo. There we go. That's trouble. I was kicking up good. Gonna pick up those feet. That's alright. Moved him over. There we go, Kyle. On the gap. Scott hustling. Grounding. There we go. Scores a run. Good job. There we go, Devin. Nice stroke. The hole. That's trouble. Oh, that was going to go too. Moved him over. Turn it off with Matt again. Back at the top of the order for the guys. That's the hole. Bringing home Kyle. There we go. But they had trouble hitting the cutoff too. There we go, chipping away. Send it up for Trey. There we go.
2 runs in, 2.
We got 2 going down swinging. See if we can't play some D. The liner. Ooh, just gets in there. That's Tyler out there. I think she hit it to the left side last time. There we go. Oh, we got Mark get short. Oh, just over. Slid in there. Not sure why that was a slide, but taking out our players. Could have been dirty. Or could have been an injury, I should say. center. Oh, just drops in there. There we go, getting it in.
Nice.
Couple more runs, see if we can't get some outs. Put out the fire.
Foul ball, batter's out.
Foul ball, batter's out. There we go. Another strikeout. I guess that's a foul ball.
I wish when he hits like that,
Considered a strikeout. They dink it into left center. This guy likes to go oppo. Like that's his thing. Not hard, just always oppo. Good hit. You get another run.
Time. 5 runs in. 5.
That's ripped. Let's see if we can't catch it. Oh, dropped. Oh, man. That was Tyler. He's usually pretty consistent. There we go. Catching it, ending it.
5 across. 5.
Ooh, another 5. 17 is trying to pull away. See if we can't get some runs. Mark.
Nice, beautiful play, beautiful play.
That left side's pretty solid. Nice rip. Nice rip, Lindsay. Oh, it's going 2. There we go. Nice hustle, nice hustle. There's the chair. Nice, like the enthusiasm. Tyler. Thinking out a double. Little infield double. That's softball double. Amanda. Ooh, that sounds like it goes out the end of the bat. See if we can't get some more. Edwin. Finds the hole. No. There we go. Just enough. No throw. Scores a run. Nice hustle. Instead of big. The right side. There's the left side. Hustling. Another safe again. Nice. She's hustling. Gets that ball. That's it for ball. Oh, goes down looking. Gotta get those swinging strikes. And back up. Turns it up force nature with the double. Another hustler. Back to Mark. Ooh, gets the tag. That lead runner. When do you get that lead runner? Well, that was a spinner. That was a tough one. Off the end of the bat. Gets by Devin. He's been getting some shots over there. Getting some work. Another strikeout. Gotta like that. Gotta like that. See if we can't get another. Shot back to Devin again. Getting that work. They got some lefties. And some people that just hit to the right side anyway. They're a pretty good hitting team. And another strikeout in the inning.
1 in.
18-5, force of nature. Oh, down looking. This pitcher's pretty good. As I said before, it's always nice to have a female pitcher. He opens up a spot for a guy to play another defensive position. And strikeout I took, it definitely looked inside, so I don't know if she's got some curve on her or what. Nice. There you go, B. Wild throw, gets Scott over to third. That's it for Kyle. See what we can do. Back to third, he's been pretty good. Gets Veronica. Lalo gets it back to the left side. Hustling. There we go, picked up the feet. Not kicking up dust that time. Nice.
6 inning, 6 inning, 6.
Going into the 6th. See if we can't hold them. Hey, there we go again. Popping up to that right side. They're going oppo. They're good batters. Getting the triple. Getting some good defensive practice for us. Oh, she looks like she stepped in front of the plate there. That could have been an out. Not sure how far she stepped, but there we go. Nice catch, catching those fly balls. Oh, struck her out. Payback for me looking. That was my curveball. There we go, back to the left side. There we go. Out of the inning, alright. Only need 14. Not sure we've ever done that, but we've definitely had comebacks before. There we go, to the right side, nice. Nice hustle. He's got wheels. Transfer for Devin. Nice stroke. Drops it in. Nice. Nice hit, nice hit. There we go, setting it for Mark. Nice, another hit. There we go. Sending Matt. There we go. There's 1 run, no outs. Gotta love that. Gotta love that. For Trey, see if she can't get on base. Turning it over. Nice hit. Gets over the head. Nice. Churning. Little rally. Keeping it going. For Tyler. Back to the left side. Oh no. Oh, get the third. Oh, double play. Double play. That was a nice play by third. Bases loaded. Coming not only 2. Lindsay. Goes to the spot. Gets out the lead runner. And that's the game. Down in the first round. This team actually ended up winning the division, the D division. So it's good to know that we lost to a eventual champion. But we played good. We had a good season. We'll be back next time. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've seen this far. Appreciate you. Leave a comment on the video. If, you know what you'd like to see. Have been thinking about doing some guest commentators. Maybe get some friends. Talk about the game, but we'll see how that goes. Thanks again. Have a good one.